hi! Did you see there? Take my daily bath. This is the Daniel Academy, where we collect worms, learn about sustainable living, and bath in dirt. Thank you for coming.
So we're gonna start on the coconut bags. And at the end should look something like that. I started one, so I've done the straps. I need to re-sew it together though. That's kind of what the straps are gonna look like. And then the rest is easy.
That looks complicated.
No, it's not really.
The pet article is a shoot English low. Poken say I they e they odds go. Odds no. Like so.
Oh my goodness. I can like follow you to a point and then I just lose it.
Good morning. It is Tuesday morning. I'm busy preparing for our gardening for this week. This week we're going into seeds, different kinds of seeds, how the seed develops into a plant, and we're then going to investigate by growing our own seeds and watching how the primary root and the primary shoot form, and taking it from there.
These 3 different containers that we've drilled holes into the top 2.
Drill.
Yes. So we have the 3 different containers, and we've drilled holes into these ones, the top 2, so that the worms can kind of pass through them. And we're going to, at a later stage, drill a hole into the side here, so we can put a little tap to collect our worm tea. And this bottom bin is going to stand on bricks like that, so it's elevated so we can collect the tea underneath. So what we need to do is in this bed, yes, in this one, put a layer of what's called bedding, which we're going to, for that we're going to use quite some of this straw type material at home. So we're going to use this for our bedding. Then it's going to have a layer with the worms in it, and then more bedding on top. And we're going to put, with this layer of worms, we're going to add the food as well. So this will be
Suffocate them.
no, I guess I can't do that. Worms and the food scraps that we have in the kitchen area. And then this top bin is where we are going to add more food for the next following weeks, okay? So as soon as the worms have finished eating through the food in this bin, they're going to start crawling through to the top, through these holes, and start eating the top bin. And then we're going to remove this bin out, collect our worm castings, and the worms are then going to become, they're going to switch around to the next bin, essentially. So what we need to do now is we need to go grab a bucket, and you need to go collect the different worms. Actually, let's take these outside, right? Do this outside. Doesn't need to be in here. Okay, we also drilled So we drilled all these different holes for the worms to come through. We also then drilled holes on the tops here just to allow air to come through and suffocate the worms. They also need air. So there's stackers up taken outside of us. And we just need the one lid. So someone can carry that, someone can carry this. I'll carry the lid.
There's a lot of spiders in here as well. Just saying. Okay, so maybe, just maybe, something may have happened.
Like what?
The thing broke. No, it was always like, oh, thank goodness. No, what? I was like, geez, my strength just went up. Where are all the things? Evil. 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 Oh, that's a new word, evil. 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 That reminds me of that movie, Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs, and that word. Great minds think alike.
It reminds me of Phineas and Ferb when the sister is singing that song. Those boys are evil. Those boys are evil. Did you ever watch that?
Yeah.
Probably, I just haven't watched it.
And then she's like, EBIL, B-O-Y-S. EBIL, B-O-Y-S.
I know the whole intro song.
Okay, so how do you need to get like really cheap?
End of my class. Okay, keep going. And you go by. Worm, worm, worm.
Worm alert.
Worm alert. Yeah, I did. Without any effort. The camera's literally pointed at me the whole time.
It was.
Well, hello there, YouTube. The
I'm
world.
the cameraman. Hopefully I wasn't in
Hello.
here too much.
Hello, world. Next.
I'm just sitting here watching them do
So,
all the work.
welcome back to my YouTube channel where stuff happens because we vibey.
Your head off the camera.
Because we vibey. Hi
Besides me.
people of YouTube, welcome to South Africa at Daniel Academy. We are making a worm farm. Hi, we're making a worm farm. So the first layer, we just have food. So now it's just green stuff and some things from the garden, some leaves that were pulled out. Then we have their home layer, which is where they'll live, like their bedroom. Then we have bedding, then soil. The soil where the worms are right now in the soil. And then another layer of bedding underneath it. And underneath that we have, I'm not going to lift it, we have an empty container, this bottom one. And that's where all the worm tea is going to get collected. And then we're going to connect a tap to it and over to collect the worm tea and dilute it and use it for our plants. And yeah, that's the worm farm.
Perfect, thank you.
In case nobody's told you lately, you're amazing. Thank you so much for watching our video. It means the world to us. If that video gave you a smile or made you giggle, why don't you give it a like? That'll really help us. And share it with your friends. Make sure to subscribe. It'll really help us to grow, reach more people, and be able to do more incredible things at our school. Until next week.
Bye.